पाकिस्तान द्वारा सभी तरह की गोलीबारी और सैन्य कार्रवाई को रोकने के समझौते का उल्लंघन करने पर रक्षा विशेषज्ञ कैप्टन अनिल गौड़ ने कहा है कि इससे पता चलता है कि पाकिस्तान एक ऐसा देश है जिस पर बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं किया जा सकता। अब भारत को जवाबी कार्रवाई करने का अधिकार है। भारत को अब जवाबी करनी चाहिए और पाकिस्तान की सैन्य संपत्तियों को नष्ट करना चाहिए ताकि उन्हें एहसास हो कि वे किससे निपट रहे हैं।
It just shows that Pakistan is not a trusted nation. The words that they gave provoking for a ceasefire, they have broken it within 4 hours. Now this shows that Pakistan is a nation which is not to be trusted at all, because it shows that there are rogue elements within the Pakistan army, or maybe even the General Munir, who is called as Mullah Munir, is not ready for the ceasefire. Now India has the right to retaliate, because the ceasefire has been broken right from Kashmir Valley, right up till international border of Jammu, till Sabah. And all places there have been unprovoked violation of the ceasefire by drones and heavy arms. So this shows that something has to be done to treat this ailment, and that India reserves the right to retaliate, and I'm sure India will retaliate. By morning we will get to know what the action India has taken, and once and for all India should now retaliate and finish off Pakistan's assets, military assets, so that they realize that whom they are dealing with. Because as it is, India has already shown what India can do, and Pakistan has been powerless to stop India in doing what they want. They have destroyed their airfields, they have also destroyed other their assets. So now all that is left has to be destroyed once and for all, so that the army knows that yes, that we cannot, break our word.